8 pros and cons about built-up roofing, coming up next.
Starting with pro number 1, durability. Built-up roofing is highly durable and can withstand various weather conditions, including extreme heat, cold, and heavy rain. It is also resistant to UV rays, which helps prevent cracking and fading. Pro number 2, low cost. Built-up roofing is relatively inexpensive compared to other flat roofing systems, making it a popular option for commercial and industrial buildings. Pro number 3, easy to repair. Built-up roofing is easy to repair and damage can be easily patched by adding additional layers of felt and asphalt. Pro number 4, fire resistance. Built-up roofing is fire resistant, which can provide an added safety for commercial and industrial buildings. Now moving on to the cons. Con number 1, it's heavy weight. Built-up roofing is relatively heavy compared to other flat roofing systems, which may require additional support structures to be installed. Con number 2, shorter lifespan. Built-up roofing has a shorter lifespan compared to other roofing options, such as PVC or TPO. It typically lasts between 10 to 20 years, depending on various factors, such as the weather conditions and maintenance. Con number 3, its odor and fumes. Built-up roofing can emit strong odors and fumes during installation, which may require additional ventilation. Con number 4, environmental concerns. Built-up roofing is made of petroleum-based materials and may not be suitable for those looking for a more sustainable roofing option. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.